Nature's answer, vitamin D3 drops benefits. The benefits of vitamin D: fights disease, reduces depression, boosts weight loss. Description: promotes overall good health and well-being, supports bone and muscle health. Gluten-free. Kosher. Vitamin D3 is vital for many functions in our bodies. Vitamin D also influences a host of key biological functions vital to health and well-being. Vitamin D is called the sunshine vitamin because it is produced naturally by the body after exposure to 20 minutes, 1/2 hour of sunlight. Many people develop deficiencies due to lack of sun exposure, living in cold climates, and other reasons. Vitamin D is most well known for its contribution to joint and bone health by helping the body absorb calcium. It is especially important to maintain adequate vitamin D levels in children as we age and when we are under stress. Suggested use: as a dietary supplement, take 2 drops daily or is directed by your healthcare practitioner. May be mixed with food or liquids. Hold bottle upside down and damp. Allow drops to flow out. Other ingredients: extra virgin olive oil, medium chain triglycerides. Salt-free, wheat-free, corn-free, yeast-free, sugar-free, milk-free, preservative-free, fish-free. Warnings. Caution: keep out of reach of children. Not for use by children under 3 years of age. Do not use if safety seal is damaged or missing. If pregnant, nursing or on medication, consult with your healthcare practitioner. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.